Hey, what's up, guys? So, yesterday I just did some hunting and decided to do my first video. So, I ended up running into one, two, three, four, five Dragon of Legends Unleashed, and then one of the second versions, one Galactic Overload, one High Speed Riders, and one Duelist Pack Rivals of the Pharaoh. We also got Clash uh, Clash of the Rebellion Special Edition, and then ended up getting in 3 Code of the Duelist Special Edition. Seeing if I can get that Solemn Strike. Well, let's go ahead and get started with High Speed Riders. Okay. We have a Krebels, Silent Wizard, Dark Resignator, Synchro Cracker, a Red Carpet for a rare, Speedroid for Speedroid Terror Trap for my hollow, and yeah, that one wasn't also good from my view, but it's okay. It's just the first one. Let's go ahead and get those out the way. Next, we'll jump to Galactic Overload. Okay, we have Dragon of Su, Seal of the Supremacy, Red-Headed Oni, Overlay Eater. We have a Light Ray as a rare, and XYZ unit. Overlay Owl, Mini Guts, and Return. We'll continue to. We will do next Rivals of the Pharaoh. Okay, guys. Hopefully we can get some good luck on these. We have Stronghold, the Moving Fortress. Never seen this card. Help Oemer, Spirit Message Eye, Blast Held by a Tribute, and Metal Reflex Lime. So, no foil card in there, but go ahead and have some luck right here. No, hopefully it's not the exact same thing. We have Help Omer, Silent Swordsman level 3, Temple of the Kings, Tribute Burial. Oh, this is. Oh, and Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon is a rare. These most definitely I will sleeve up. Nice. I did not expect that out to get that Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon from these. It's probably, I think, the highest valued rare in this pack. Don't quote me though. But really nice. Next, we'll get started with Dragon of the Unleashed. We have Ra's Disciple, Red Eyes Transmigration, Flare Cardinal Zebra Grouse with the Moon. Flare Guardian Willow. And number 98, Antitopian. I hate these cards so much. It's just me that I just hate number cards. I mean, they're good enough, just don't like them. Okay. Oh, we have a legendary knight, goddess bow, flower guardian willow of the calligrapher, snowplow Russell, the despair Uranus. That's an odd name. Okay, guys. So we have a Mound of the Bound creator, Time Magic Hammer, Performable, Machine Angel Ritual, and the Grand Jupiter. Okay, guess you're gonna go with this guy right here then. Okay, we have a Soul Charge, nice. Tyrant Burst Dragon, Special Schedule, another Flare Guardian, and the Grand Jupiter once again. Okay, we have Tyrant Wing, Berserker Soul, Cyber Petite Angel, another Flare Guardian, Zebra Grass, and number 51, Finisher the Strong Arm. Okay, guys, we're on our last pack, and this is also my favorite of all the packs. Like the little Mimi cat right there, but hopefully it's the best pack of all. Or if not, for the hunt that I was looking for today, I'll just be simply unlucky. We have Predictional Ritual, Predictional Princess. Oh, I actually got a few of these. Aquarium set. This is nice. Tomb Briefcase. And the Claw of Hermos. Okay, guys, so from my perspective, the highlight of my video today was Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon as a rare. I will be opening these few special editions in a separate video due to I didn't expect to take this long with this one, but if you'd like to stay tuned to watch it, it should be uploaded in just a while after this one. Alright, later.